The kinkajou is a tropical rainforest mammal of the family Procyon related to olingos, coatis, raccoons, and the ringtail and cacomissal. It is the only member of the genus Potos and is also known as the honey bear. The conservation status of kinkajous varies among species. The most common species, the common kinkajou, is listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, other species, such as the olinguito, are considered vulnerable or endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Kinkajous typically have soft and dense fur that can vary in coloration. The most common color of their fur is golden or light brown, which helps them blend in with the forest canopy. However, their fur color can also range from grayish-brown to reddish-brown or even black. Their fur is often accompanied by a darker mask-like pattern around their eyes, which contrasts with the lighter fur on the rest of their face. This mask can give them a distinctive appearance. Some kinkajous may also have lighter fur on their throat or chest. In terms of build, kinkajous have a slender and elongated body. They have short and stout legs that end with sharp claws, which assist them in gripping tree branches. Kinkajous also possess a remarkable feature: a long, muscular, and prehensile tail that acts as a fifth limb. This tail can grasp and hold onto branches, allowing the kinkajou to move gracefully through the trees. Kinkajous are primarily nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active during the night. They have adaptations such as excellent night vision and sensitive whiskers that help them navigate and find food in low-light conditions. Kinkajous are well adapted for life in the trees. They are agile climbers and spend most of their time in the forest canopy. Their sharp claws and long prehensile tail allow them to move skillfully among branches and even hang upside down. Kinkajous use scent marking to communicate with other individuals. They have scent glands located on various parts of their body, including the throat, chest, and tail. By rubbing these scent glands against objects in their environment, they leave behind the unique scent, marking their territory and signaling their presence to other kinkajous. While kinkajous are generally solitary animals, they may form small family groups consisting of a male, female, and their offspring. These groups typically have a loosely structured social hierarchy, with the male playing a role in defending the territory. Kinkajous communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including chirps, whistles, and barks. Kinkajous are known for their playful nature. They engage in various behaviors that resemble play, such as climbing, chasing, and rolling around. Play serves as a way for kinkajous to develop and practice important skills, as well as to establish social bonds. Kinkajous typically measure between 40 to 60 centimeters in length from the head to the base of the tail. One notable feature of kinkajous is their long, prehensile tail. The tail can measure around 40 to 55 centimeters in length. The weight of kinkajous can range between 1 to 3 kilograms. Females are usually slightly smaller and lighter than males. Kinkajous are not known for their speed. They are primarily arboreal animals and are adapted for agile movements in the trees rather than high-speed running on the ground. While they can move quickly and gracefully through the branches, their ground movement is relatively slower. On the ground, kinkajous usually move by walking or trotting rather than running. Their short legs and plantigrade stance, walking on the soles of their feet, are not optimized for rapid locomotion. Instead, they rely on their agility and climbing skills to navigate their arboreal habitat. In their arboreal environment, kinkajous can move swiftly and adeptly. They can climb, jump, and swing from branch to branch using their long, prehensile tail for balance and support. Their specialized limb and tail adaptations allow them to navigate the complex tree canopy with remarkable agility and efficiency. Kinkajous have an omnivorous diet, meaning they consume a variety of plant and animal matter. Fruits make up a significant portion of a kinkajou's diet. They have a particular fondness for ripe fruits and have adaptations such as sharp teeth and strong jaws for effectively consuming them. Kinkajous may eat a wide range of fruits, including figs, bananas, mangoes, and other tropical fruits. Kinkajous are considered frugivorous, and they often feed on nectar-rich flowers. Their long tongues help them reach deep into flowers to lap up nectar. In the process, they also inadvertently assist in pollination by transferring pollen from flower to flower. Kinkajous are sometimes referred to as honey bears due to their ability to locate and consume honey. They may raid beehives or access naturally occurring honey sources, using their sharp claws and dexterity to obtain this sweet treat. While fruits and nectar form the primary components of their diet, kinkajous also consume insects, small vertebrates, such as rodents and birds, and their eggs on occasion. This animal protein serves as a supplementary food source for them. Kinkajous may also consume plant matter other than fruits. This can include leaves, buds, flowers, and even the sap of certain trees. The specific plant species available in their habitat influence their plant-based dietary choices. Kinkajous exhibit interesting nesting and breeding behaviors. Kinkajous build nests to rest, sleep, and raise their young. They construct their nests in tree cavities, tree hollows, or dense foliage. These nests can be made from leaves, branches, and other plant materials. Kinkajous are known to be selective in choosing their nest sites, often preferring sheltered locations that provide protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. The breeding season for kinkajous can vary depending on their geographical location and other factors. In some regions, it occurs during specific months of the year, while in other areas, breeding can occur throughout the year. Kinkajous are generally solitary animals, but during the breeding season, males and females come together for mating. Males may compete for access to females, and mating can involve vocalizations, scent marking, and physical interactions. After a successful mating, the female kinkajou undergoes a gestation period of approximately 100 to 120 days. The actual duration can vary slightly among individuals. When the time for giving birth approaches, the female prepares a nesting site within a tree cavity or a similar sheltered location. Female kinkajous usually give birth to a single offspring, known as a kit. The newborn kinkajou is small, blind, and hairless. The mother provides extensive care for her offspring, nursing them and keeping them warm and protected within the nest. Kits rely on their mother for nourishment and remain in the nest for several weeks before they start venturing out. As the kit grows, it becomes more active and begins exploring its surroundings. The mother gradually introduces solid food into the kit's diet, and over time, the young kinkajou becomes more independent. Eventually, it will leave the maternal nest to establish its own territory and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.